Hi guys, so following the last video I did on treating dampness using admixtures, I received a lot of questions how people would do, like people needed practicals, like a little demonstration to be able to tell how they can go about that. So on the AQUASEAL 300, it is written here, I hope it can show, I hope they can see this. Okay, the dosage says that 250 to 500 ml per 50 kg, and that's equivalent to 50 cl as well. So here we have the AQUASEAL 300. This is a 5-liter container, and then here we have the 50 kg cement bag, and then here we have a 50 cl container. So this is quite simple. All you have to do is put in some AQUASEAL content in this, and this is equivalent to be used, this is supposed to be used to a bag of cement, and that's simple. It's as simple as that. So you intend to use this for your plastering, and basically if you have a damp wall, basically what you just need to do is to peel off that plaster that is there, peel it off completely, and then you're going to do a new one. But for you to do a new one, that's where AQUASEAL comes in now. You're going to add AQUASEAL to your mixture. So you're going to have the cement and then the sand, the plaster sand and all of that, and then you're going to add the AQUASEAL. So we're going to go ahead to open the AQUASEAL. Okay, so we'll put in some of the AQUASEAL 300 into our 50 cl container. Guys, I'm supposed to be using my gloves and all of those safety kits because this chemical is highly concentrated. Like, the smell is crazy. The smell is crazy. I think it just tells you that this thing is damn strong. So you're going to empty. I just have to do this, guys. I needed to do this. So you empty some of this. See how dark this thing is. So this is your 50 cl, and this is what you're supposed to use to a one bag of cement, or 50 kg. It's written here 50 plus 1 kg. So you can balance that up. I mean, you find a way to balance that up. So but if you're using half bag of cement, you're going to use half bag of this, half calibration of this. That's like 25 cl. You understand? 25. This 50 cl, so half of it will be 25 cl. So you find a way to do that. So I'm going to attach this to a maintenance job we did in the time past. So you would see how we used the AQUASEAL 300 for to fix cracks and then to deal with dampness. So you're going to see that in the next clip, in the attached clip. So guys, I hope this was helpful. If you have any question, you still don't understand some things, you can reach out. This thing is quite simple. In fact, you just need to get an artisan and he's going to do the normal operations. But you who have seen this, you're just going to get your AQUASEAL 300 and then put this quantity to it, and then they can carry on, they can go ahead with their job. Again, safety first. I'm supposed to have my gloves here, and then my nose mask, my glasses, my goggles and all of that. But man, I'm coming from somewhere and I had to do this. I just had to do this for you guys, man. So I'm going to see you soon. Alright, give me the Alright guys, so I want to appreciate my crew, everyone. This is Architect Jeff. Let's thank Architect Jeff for everything he provided. This is his site, guys. He's doing big jobs here, man. And this is Mr. Dada. Mr. Dada is our facilitator. He provided all of these things. So guys, thank you. I will see you guys. Okay, so this is one of the maintenance job Jacko Global Consulting had to carry out at Hillcrest Gardens Estate, Mabushi, Abuja. So major problems are cracks on the walls and maintenance on the POP and all of that. So we had to mark out all of those cracked areas and then cut them out. The strategy is to reinforce those portions, and then with a solution, use a mortar and with an enhanced solution with a reinforcement mesh, so that the particular area to be dressed will be stronger and more reinforced. So at this phase, we're just marking out those areas to be cut out. So we're going to take out this part after marking them out. We've done that already in some of those places, and right now we have workers cutting out those portions. As you can see, these are the portions that are already cut out. Workers are chiseling them. We have them all marked out, and then they are now chiseled, which afterwards we're going to fill them up with a reinforced mesh and a solution, a hardening solution, before the dressing is done. So I would like you to stay tuned, stay with us as we take you through the process and even the finishing stage of the project. Thank you.
it will be like too much. Now, they will close in time. The wife will come they go Kubwa. Where they build house.
Okay, my phone build house.
For Kubwa village.